Yarn under in bead crochet, I tried it and honestly I did not expect the difference to be this visible. If you have ever made a bead crochet rope and thought, why can I still see the thread between my beads? This video is for you. Because usually when the thread is showing too much, the first things I would try are pretty simple. Use a smaller hook, use thinner thread, adjust your tension, maybe change the bead size or check if your thread is too thick for the beads you are using. But what if you already tried those things and the thread is still bothering you? That is where yarn under might actually help. So first, let's quickly explain the difference. I'm using size 8 beads and 30 weight thread. With regular yarn over, you wrap the thread over the hook in the usual way. This is probably the way most people learn crochet, and it works perfectly fine for bead crochet too. The stitch is a little more relaxed, a little softer and easier to work with. I definitely recommend it for beginners because you can see the loops more clearly and it's easier to insert your hook into them. With yarn under, the hook goes over the thread, so the thread is under the hook. Then I pull it through. It is a small movement, but in the finished bead crochet rope, it can make a real difference. When I tested this with beads, I noticed two things right away. The yarn under sample felt more firm, and the thread between the beads was less visible. That is the biggest point of this video. Yarn under does not magically fix every bead crochet problem, but if your main problem is visible thread, this is definitely something you can try. Here you can see the regular yarn over sample. The beads sit nicely, the rope is flexible, and it is easier to crochet. But if you look closely, you can see a little bit more thread between the beads. Now here is the yarn under sample. The beads sit closer together, the rope feels a bit tighter, and the thread almost disappears more into the structure. It gives the rope a cleaner look. For some projects, this may not matter at all. If you are making a casual bracelet or you like a softer rope, yarn over might be completely fine. But if you want a really neat, compact, almost perfect finish, yarn under can help. Especially if you are using beads where the thread contrast is visible. For example, if you use light beads with dark thread or dark beads with light thread, every small gap is much more noticeable. And this is exactly where yarn under can make a difference. Of course, another way to make the thread almost disappear is to use a very thin thread. But the thinner the thread, the harder it usually is to work with. So, if I had to choose between using a super thin thread or simply changing the way I crochet and using yarn under, I would choose yarn under. It gives me a cleaner look, but the process still feels much easier. But there is one thing I want to say clearly. I would not recommend starting with yarn under as the first solution. If your thread is showing too much, first check the basics. Is your hook too large? Is your thread too thick? Are your beads too irregular? Is your tension too loose? Because sometimes the problem is not the stitch technique. Sometimes you just need a smaller hook or a thinner thread. But if you already adjusted those things and the thread is still visible, then try yarn under. Because yarn under does make the structure tighter, but that also means the rope can feel more firm. And depending on the project, this can be either a good thing or a bad thing. For example, for a bracelet or necklace where you want a smooth, clean shape, that firmness can be really nice. But if you need a very soft and flexible rope, regular yarn over might feel better. Another important thing is consistency. Do not switch randomly between yarn over and yarn under in the same project. If you start with yarn over, continue with yarn over. Because even if the difference looks small while you crochet, it can change the tension and the structure of the rope. So, my conclusion is this. Yarn over is still perfectly fine for bead crochet. It is easier, softer, and probably more comfortable for most beginners. But yarn under is a really useful trick when you want a tighter look and less visible thread. For me, with size 8 beads and 30 weight thread, the yarn under version looked cleaner and the thread was less noticeable. So if you are struggling with visible thread in your bead crochet and you already tried a smaller hook or a thinner thread, try yarn under. It might be the missing detail that makes your bead crochet rope look much more polished. So let me know in the comments, have you ever tried yarn under in bead crochet? And did you notice a difference? If you want more bead crochet tips, tips, tutorials, and little experiments like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.